Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on any Android phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings and in the search bar, just search DNS. Then tap on private DNS. Now in the private DNS section, if you have enabled any private DNS, just turn it off and tap on save. After that, just go back and search build number. Tap on build number, and from here just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just tap on OK. Now once you enable developer options, just go back and in the search bar just search Wi-Fi scan throttling. Now just tap on Wi-Fi scan throttling and make sure you enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Now once you have done that, and if this did not fix your issue, just go back and in the search bar just search reset. Tap on reset Wi-Fi settings, then go to reset Wi-Fi. Tap on reset settings. Now as you can see, we have successfully reset all the Wi-Fi settings on our smartphone, and this option will not delete any data on your smartphone. It will only reset all the Wi-Fi settings of your smartphone. Now after that, just go to your home screen and restart your smartphone. Now to do that, just open the control center or press and hold the power button on your smartphone. Then tap on the power icon and select restart. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to fix the Wi-Fi not connecting issue on your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can fix Wi-Fi not connecting on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.